The iPhone 16 Pro's design has been a secret up until now. With the release of brushed titanium last year, Apple completely changed the game and said goodbye to stainless steel. The mute switch was replaced with an action button, and the Lightning port was switched out for USB-C. But what's left for 2024? Surprisingly, quite a bit. Today, I'm thrilled to present your very first glimpse of the iPhone 16 Pro, showcasing what appears to be its official design based on the latest leaks and rumors, including leaked CAD files. Let's delve into the design details. Once again, the iPhone 16 Pro boasts a titanium frame and chassis, exuding elegance while maintaining a remarkably slim and lightweight profile. Rumors suggest a shift from brushed titanium to a polished variant, reminiscent of older stainless steel iPhones. I've missed the sleek look of the silver iPhone 14 Pro, and the combination of titanium's lightness with that aesthetic would be a winner. Speaking of changes, anticipate a slight increase in size. Rumors hint at screen sizes bumping from 6.1 to 6.3 inches and 6.7 to 6.9 inches. While the rationale behind this adjustment remains unclear, Apple may achieve it by refining bezels further. However, disappointingly, reports indicate no upgrades to the dynamic dot or dynamic island this year, with rumors suggesting a wait until 2025. Now let's talk colors. This year's palette seems promising, with options rumored to include the classic black and white, alongside a neutral titanium gray and a new rose variant. The reintroduction of the rose could cater to markets like China, where gold has historically been popular. It's a subtle nod to the past while offering a sophisticated touch. Moving on to the cameras, while the triple camera setup retains its familiar appearance, internal enhancements are noteworthy. The addition of a 5x telephoto lens and upgrades to the ultra-wide lens promises exceptional photo quality. Moreover, a new anti-glare and anti-costing coating may elevate the photography experience further. But the most intriguing addition, a dedicated capture button on the side of the iPhone 16 Pro, revolutionizes how users interact with the camera. This touch-sensitive button allows for zooming and focusing, hinting at Apple's focus on enhancing photography capabilities. However, the real game-changer might be the integration of AI. With iOS 18, Apple is reportedly introducing groundbreaking AI features, leveraging on-device processing for tasks previously reliant on cloud connectivity. The A18 Pro chip is said to boast a significantly improved neural engine, signaling a leap forward in AI capabilities. Battery life is also poised for improvement, with rumors suggesting longer durations for the iPhone 16 Pro models. Despite modest capacity increases, optimizations like the AI-focused A18 Pro chip could lead to noticeable gains in efficiency. Furthermore, enhanced microphones with improved signal-to-noise ratios hint at advanced voice recognition capabilities, potentially paving the way for Siri's evolution into a more intelligent assistant. While hardware updates are impressive, it's iOS 18 that might steal the spotlight. With a rumored redesign and a focus on AI integration, iOS 18 could redefine the iPhone experience. If history is any indication, software innovation often accompanies hardware iterations, offering users a fresh perspective on familiar devices. In conclusion, while the iPhone 16 Pro may not boast radical design changes, its internal enhancements and the promise of iOS 18 suggest an exciting evolution. As we eagerly await official announcements, it's clear that Apple's commitment to innovation remains unwavering. Special thanks to Krot for the stunning renders featured in this video, and to Cody for his exceptional work on the renders. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates on iOS 18 and more. Until next time, stay tuned for all things Apple.